Rapidity unboxing Duo Uranus 230 WD. Let's unbox this. Let's do this. Unboxing time. Da-da-da-da-da. Yeah. Hey. I already unboxed it. Ta-da! Light launcher too. Of course it's fake. 230 truck. And of course the WD wide defense tip. Duo Uranus. Oh, double face. La 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 la. Duo Uranus face bolt. Duo Uranus. Clear wheel. And duo wheel. Duo metal wheel. So duo wheel has two modes. CDS. DS letter stands for stamina, and for this A stands for attack. So you will put this. If you put this here, it will be on stamina mode, and if you put this here in A, it will on attack mode. So let's try. We will try. $230 truck, 95 truck, or 90 or 80. Wide defense tip. The stickers. So let's try to put in attack, which make Duo Uranus in balance. Oh, Thomas is so noisy right now. Oh, Thomas again. Hey, the rip cord, I forgot. Oh no, Thomas, please stop. Thomas, please stop. Unbalance. So that's the attack mode. You see? And let's try to switch it to Stamina. Stamina, stamina, stamina. Stamina. As you can see, it is more stable compared to attack mode. And that's Duo Uranus 230 WD.